Hi, I'm David at Gocher Hire Centre. We've got a fantastic team here and we all put you, our customers, first. Doesn't matter how big or small your project is, we're here to help you.
We are situated just outside Guildford. 95% of our customers are business customers, regional building firms, local builders and tradesmen, landscapers and schools.
I've had a faultless service from Gocher for the last 30 years. They've never let me down. They have all sorts of equipment, anything you could ever think of, and will always go out of their way to help you.
Our unique selling points are truly excellent customer service, very knowledgeable team, wide range of equipment, value for money prices, and next day delivery service.
Call us a little old-fashioned here at Gocher Hire Centre, but we believe in giving great customer service. Why not put us to the test and give us a ring?